Hello, this is the demo for alternative value. The root landing page of our website gives all users access to the stock selection tool. Here, a user can analyze and compare the different historic price movements for different stocks. They have the ability to zoom in and out on the graph, depending on what their desired time frame is. It supports the option to compare price intervals for different units of time. Multiple stocks can be added as plots to the graph by searching for their symbol within the drop-down select bar. The search requires 2 characters, then a list of stocks whose name or symbol closely match this input will be displayed. Users can additionally choose to visualize the plot as a line or area graph using the buttons in the top left corner. Each selected stock can have its financial statements displayed below. The user can select between different statement types for an individual company using the buttons in the top right corner. They can also switch between the company whose statements they are viewing using the drop-down select bar. In order to save their selections as a portfolio, the user must be authenticated. This can be accomplished by signing up for an account. We require that the user have a unique username. Upon signing up or signing in, the user will be redirected back to their portfolio page. Here, they will now have the option to save their selections in a portfolio. Within the Create a Portfolio page, they will choose a name for their portfolio. They can also add additional stock selections and will choose the amount of shares they want to hold for each selection. Here, the price for each stock selection is updated every second during market hours. Once satisfied with their selections, they can choose to save their portfolio, in which they'll be redirected to the My Portfolios page. Users can have multiple portfolios saved to their account. It's worth noting that the stock's purchase cost and the total portfolio costs are updated with any change in shares or price. Once a portfolio is saved, it can be analyzed from the My Portfolios page at a future date. Here, the user can compare the original purchase value of the portfolio and the current market value and see how much profit they would have made. They can also make comparisons between their created portfolios by looking at the historic value over time. These comparisons can again be done over a variety of different time units. Below the graph is a separate table for each of the selected portfolios being compared, which contains the decomposition of each of its components and their individual profits. Upon finishing their research and analysis, the user can terminate their session by selecting the Logout button, where they will be redirected to the main page. There is a link to our credits for the resources used on this website within the footer of each page. It's also worth mentioning that for efficient pulling of data for users, memory caching has been implemented. Finally, a user interface is available to help the user visualize the results of any queries they may send. That brings us to the end of our demo. Thank you for watching.